Hey everyone, I'm Valencia Duncan from Connecticut. I'm a former track and field athlete, now turned into a sports psychologist. So I reached out to Dr. Brett about 6 months ago just to see if he had any advice he could give me as a new sports psychologist wanting to navigate this career and wanting to put forth the best foot forward. And not only has he been able to give me the skills and tips to use with new athletes that I'll be working with, he's also been able to help me develop my mindset and my well-being as well. Before working with him, I really was hesitant to try new things and get myself out there and really just face life for what it was. And ever since working with Dr. Brett, I can definitely notice a difference in my life, not only my mindset, but also just like the choices that I choose to make. He's really been getting me to get out there and experience life for what it is and not be afraid of what might come with it. If it was me and I was back in high school, I would call Dr. Brett right now because one, he will definitely call you back today, and two, he will definitely change you for the better. Leaving that conversation, you'll not only leave with something you didn't know about yourself, but you'll leave with a piece of wisdom that you can take with you for the rest of your life and apply to literally any situation. Working with Dr. Brett really has been amazing, and I hope to continue to work with him in the future and continue to develop myself overall. Thank you.